Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads inquiries for electrical vehicle service. So let's suppose I am running an electrical vehicle service company and I am receiving many leads and inquiries on my IndiaMART. Now whenever there is a new inquiry, I automatically want to send message to that inquiry. Now as I completely want to automate this process, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART from where I will receive new inquiry, and then in my action application, I am going to take AI Sensei with the help of which I am going to send messages to my inquiries. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for electrical vehicle service. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads inquiries for electrical vehicle service, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this IndiaMART automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries whenever there will be a new lead or the new inquiry in my IndiaMART. An automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead or the inquiry, which means whenever there will be an IndiaMART lead or the inquiry, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So whenever I receive a new lead or the inquiry in my IndiaMART, and then action says do this, then send WhatsApp message. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART. And then in my trigger event, I have to take this new leads. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART, for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection. And to make this connection, let's open my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account, and this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMART. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I have to click on this lead manager. And then on this three dots, I have to click on this import export leads, and then I have to click on this push API. Now under this push API integration, I have to select the source and then have to enter the CRM platform name. So in this drop down, I want to select this as other, and then I have to enter the CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So my CRM platform name is Pabbly Connect, and then I have to enter the webhook listener URL. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and this is the same webhook URL which I need to paste in my webhook listener URL. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and then I have to click on the save details. Now I need to give the reason that why I want to connect my Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. So from this drop down, I can see all these reasons. You can select according to your choice and preference. Here I simply want to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. And then I have to click on this click to generate OTP. Here I have successfully added my webhook URL that I have received in my Pabbly Connect in my IndiaMArt, and now we need to check this. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to open my profile in IndiaMArt, and from that profile I am going to send inquiry to my own business. So I am going to open my profile in incognito mode. So here this is my profile in IndiaMArt. This is the name, this is the phone number, email address is latest@pabblytudes.com, and the company name is Latest Company. Now I am going to search for my business, which is this one. And after searching for my business, I simply have to click on this contact supplier, and then I have to enter my inquiry over here in this box. So here I have added my query. Hello, I came across your listing on IndiaMArt. I own an electrical vehicle and I am looking for EV repair and maintenance services. Could you please share the details of the services you offer and the pricing? Now I have to click on this next, and as this is not a required field, I am going to click on this submit. I have successfully submitted my query to this business, to my own business from this profile, and now Pabbly Connect should capture this in that workflow. So let's open my Pabbly Connect. So here I have received the response, the status is success. I have received the unique query ID, and this query ID is unique for every query that I'll receive. Then I have received the response, subject requirement for Pabbly Connect free demo available, and then the state is Madhya Pradesh. The name of the lead was this one, and then the email address was latest@pabblytudes.com. Company name was Latest Company. City was Bhopal, address was Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and then I have entered my query and I have received the same exact query in this workflow. Hello, I came across your listing on IndiaMArt. I own an electrical vehicle and I am looking for EV repair and maintenance service. Could you please share the details of the service you offer and the pricing? So this is the same exact query that I entered and sent to my business from my own profile. So here I have received the response successfully, and this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMArt, that is successful, and now whenever someone will send the query or the new lead will be received, I will start receiving the response here in my Pabbly Connect. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive a new lead or the inquiry, I want to send automated WhatsApp message to that lead or the inquiry. So here in my action application, I am going to take AI Sensei, and then in my action event, I have to take the send template message. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the API key. So to get this API key, let's open my AI Sensei account. This is my AI Sensei account, and on the left hand side where I can see this manage option, I will click on this, and then under this I can see this API key. So I need to copy this and then I have to paste that over here, and then I have to click on this save. So here WhatsApp by AI Sensei is connected with Pabbly Connect, and I have to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name. So to enter this, let's open my AI Sensei account. So on the left hand side where we had this manage option, first I'll open this and then I'll open this all. So under this section I can see all the templates that I have created. Now for this workflow, I have created a template by the name electric vehicle, and this template goes as hello demo. So this is the custom variable which will keep changing whenever I will receive a new response with the name of the new lead. Hello demo, thank you for reaching out to us through IndiaMArt. We are glad to assist you in your electrical vehicle. We offer a wide range of EV repair and maintenance services, including battery diagnostics, motor repairs, tire checks, and regular maintenance. So this is the message that I have drafted. Looking forward to assisting you. Thanks, regards. Now if you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this new button on the top right corner, and then you have to select the template category. Then you have to name this template, select the template type, and then draft the message in a way that you want to send. Then select the template language and simply click on the submit. After your template will be created, on the left hand side I can see this campaigns option. So we have to create a campaign for the same template. So here I have already created a campaign by the name electrical vehicle. Now on the top right corner I can click on this launch, and then I can click on this API campaign, and under this template I have to select the template. So my template was electric vehicle, this one. and then I have to name the campaign same as that of the name of my template. So here, as I have already created this template, and then I have to simply click on the set live. Now here I have already created this template by the name electrical vehicle, and over here we can see that this is the same template that we just saw. So now what I need to do is simply copy the name of this campaign and paste that over here. And then I have to enter the mobile number. So I am not going to enter this manually. Instead, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received the response in IndiaMART, and when I click on this mobile number field, I can see this IndiaMART, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from there. Now I need to enter the mobile number, which was. Now after entering the mobile number, I need to enter the name of the lead who has sent the query. So here in my username, I am going to enter the name of the lead, and then I have to enter the template parameter. I am skipping the source and tags because these are not the required fields, but if you want to enter this, you can enter following the help desk given below these fields. Now in this template parameter, I have to enter the parameter values to be filled in a template message here. The parameter value should be comma separated, example this. Now here in this template, I just have one variable, which is the name of the lead. So I simply have to enter the name of that lead in this, and if I had many variables, I should have separated them with the help of comma. Now over here, I just need to enter the name of the lead. So the name was this one. I am skipping this attribute URL and file name, but if you want to enter, you can enter following the help desk given below these fields. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to scroll down and then click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received the response. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the message there or not. And here I can see that I have received the WhatsApp message. Hello, and this has been replaced with the name of the lead who has sent the query. Thank you for reaching out to us through IndiaMART. We are glad to assist you with your electrical vehicle. We offer a wide range of EV repair, and this template is the same that we have drafted in our AI Sensei. Now to check whether this automation workflow is working fine or not, I am going to open my profile again and send some query from that profile to my own business and check whether I will receive WhatsApp message here or not. So here I have entered a dummy query. Let's say I am going to send this testing, and then I have to click on this next. Now as this is not a required field, I am going to click on this submit, and as I have submitted my query, I should receive a WhatsApp message. So let's open my WhatsApp. And here I have received this other message also. Hello, and this has been replaced with the name of the lead. Now here the name is same because I am sending this query from the same profile, and here the rest of the message is same. So now to summarize, we took IndiaMART as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We sent a test query from my profile and received the response here in this workflow. After that, we wanted to send WhatsApp message to that query. So we took WhatsApp by AI Sensei in the action application. We entered the campaign name, entered the username and the template parameter with the help of a process called mapping, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as these messages being sent to the WhatsApp number of that lead. So here we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.